climb found its rhythm over time. One song at a time, now I can see the person I was meant to be. Every page became a sign, building tomorrow, one song at a time. We learned of character, learned to grow, to rise, reset, refocus, and know different stories, different eyes, watching new horizons rise. We chose to shed what held us back, keeping only what would last. Every step became a brand new start. Every melody shaped the heart. One song at a time, one dream, one light, turning every shadow bright. Every lesson, every climb found its rhythm over time. One song at a time, now I can see the person I was meant to be. Every page became a sign, building tomorrow, one song at a time. Some sang of courage, some sang of grace, some helped me find my rightful place. Some carried hope through longest nights, some